Right. Good morning, everyone. Can you hear me? Oh, Aradhya. One more student is there, Aradhya in new batch. Are you there? Evening batch, new batch 7:30 p.m. One new student is there, Aradhya. Old student. Okay. So do you have any work after 10:30? Then why that question class is there or not there? Eleven a.m. Oracle class. So you want to start move up. Hostel to classroom you have to go. Okay, okay. Understood. How much time it will take to walk? Okay, guys. Last class we are trying to understand equals method. Hope you remember. So what is equals method? It is a predefined method available in java.lang.object. Y equals method, it is used for comparing two objects to know whether they are equal or not. Where do we use equals method? Most of the time we'll use string programming and collection programming. Okay, for comparing string objects to know for two strings are equal or not, we have to use, these are all the points we have discussed in last class. Hope you all remember. Then observe, I am taking class called example and two example objects I created. Tell me, are these two example objects reference wise different but data wise same? Okay, below, if I use a double equal to operator, compare the two objects by using their reference. Right? We will get what? True or false here? We will get false. Why? Because they are reference wise different objects. Okay. Then tell me, if I compare by using equals method, will you get it true or false? If I compare by using equals method, will you get true or false? We will get false. Okay, why? Because equals method is not overridden in example class. Equals method is not overridden in example class. Okay, so we will get output false. So return this of E1 equal to obj of E1. Now, I am taking sample class. Tell me, in a sample class, I have overridden equals method. Then, if you override equals method, double equal to operator compare reference. If I override equals method, it compares by using data. Look at here. What is the output we'll get? False and true we will get. False and true we will get. Look at that. False and true. Now, what is the logic I have written inside equals method? Inside sample class, inside equals method, I have overridden comparing x value of the two objects. What is the x value? 5. 5 equal to 5? True. Look at here. This inside equals method, can I use s dot? No. Can I use s2 dot? No. Inside main method, I can use s1 dot x, s2 dot x. But inside equals method, the variable s1 is not available. But s1 object is available, na? Yes. The reference 1010 is passed into equals method, stored in which parameter? This. S2 reference is passed and stored inside which parameter? Obj. Then what I have to write the logic? This dot x equal to obj dot x. Listen carefully, very important. If I write obj dot x, compiler will throw error. Observe, everyone. Public, what is the return type? Boolean. What is the method name? Equals of object obj. Tell me, inside this, what is the object available? S1. Okay. Inside obj, what is the object available? S2. What is my logic? I want to write inside equals method. Return this dot x equal to obj dot x, return true. This is the logic. Everyone understood? Okay. I want to compare with the data. Data means what? I have to write dot x dot x. But here compiler throw error. Can you guess why compiler throw error here? Why compiler throw error here? Array, you are accessing x variable by using what? Obj. Obj is what type? Object. Compiler search for x variable in object class. In object class, is it available or not available? Not available. That's why compiler throw error. Then tell me, if you want to compare the two objects of, okay, if you want to compare the two objects of same class by using equals method, how to compare? Boolean equals of object obj. Come on, I have to convert this object to which type? Sample. Super. Typecast to sample, then compare, return. What do you write? This dot x, current class x equal to what do you write? S dot x. Everyone understand? Now how to call this equals method? Like this, s1 dot equals of s2 you call. Then what happened? Control come to equals method with the two references. What the two reference? S1 and S2. S1 is available in this. S2 is available in obj. After typecasting, S2 come to yes. Then what is this dot x? Current object x value how much? 5. Okay, what is s dot x? S2 object, argument object x value also 5. Then returns what? True. Understood? How to override equals method. This is the logic I have to write in equals method. If you don't override equals method, it is executed from object class and compares it by using reference. If you override equals method, it compares by using data. How to compare by using data? Reference variable dot non-static variable. Reference variable dot non-static variable. Now, I have a question, try to answer. Can I call equals method by using s1 dot by passing any object? Everyone think? S1 dot equals of by passing any object. Can I call or not? Can. Everyone think. Can I call or not? Yes. Why? Because equals method parameter is what? Object. Loose coupling. Because the parameter type object, you can pass any type of object. Understand? Then tell me. Suppose you are calling equals method by passing double quotes A. Is it accepted? Yes. What is the object available in obj? Double quotes A. What is double quotes A? String. Can you typecast to string? No. Then cast operator throw class cast exception. Then tell me, is this equals method implementation right or wrong? Wrong. When you pass a sample object, sorry, when you pass string object is not equal to sample, then you should return what? False. Why are you throwing exception? Repeat again. What is the complete logic I should write in the sample class? Sample, open bracket, we have private, int x, and private, int y. Then here, what do you write? Constructor, And what you write? Setter methods. And what you write? Getter methods. And what you write? Business logic methods. And then we override public boolean. What method? Hash code. Sorry, public boolean. Okay, hash code we'll see later. Equals of what you write? Object obj. Tell me. Now, inside equals method, first we have to check the object coming as an argument. The object coming as an argument is instance of current class or not. Understand? If yes, then typecast. Sample s equal to sample of obj. Then compare. How to compare? Return this dot x equal to s dot x. Also, I want to compare y value also. Both x and y value I want to compare. This dot y equal to s dot y. If the past object is not equal to sample, then what you do? Return false. They are different object. This is the complete implementation, correct implementation of equals method. First, you have to verify type. Then you should verify data. So whenever you want to compare state, you have to compare two things. Number one, type and state. Okay. Now tell me, if I call S1 object dot equals of S2, both are sample object. What is compared? Type is same. Okay, then state is compared. Okay. Next, if I call S1 dot equals of double quote say if I write, then tell me what is this? Type is same or different? Type is different, then returns false. Everyone understand equals method? Now, with this knowledge, I want you practice one more time this entire program, this complete program, top to bottom. I have given all different cases. I want you top to bottom, everything practice. Will you? And I have given one important differences between double equal to operator and equals method. And why do we have equals method when you have double equal to operator? Identify below statements are equal or not. When to use double equal to operator and when to use equals method. Okay. So just go through once today in your free time to all these points. Anyways, I will explain you all these points tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow, only one day. If everyone is okay, can I take class at 8:15? Only tomorrow. One day. Can you support? Because today we don't have class. So I need to compensate. Only one day. Suryavamshi, I think you are in a deep sleeping mode, man. Yesterday only I shared a check. So after I am taking class, you should not go to office and complain. Saying that Haris are taking long session. Again, sir will call me and scold me. Why you are taking long session? Because today not session, that's why I want to take tomorrow. Okay, everyone? Only one day, okay? So tomorrow, come to offline class by 8:15. Only one day, okay? Only tomorrow. Online students, is it okay to you? Your HTML course completed? Okay, thank you. Tomorrow, let's have class at 8:15 tomorrow. And we'll complete this equals method remaining questions discussion and we'll enter it into collections. Check how we'll complete collections. If you remember hash code equals method, collections after all, nothing is there. Thank you. See you tomorrow.